want you to breathe me.
Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video from DadouChic. I am sitting outside here because I am currently staying at my mother's upstate in Rockland County, because I don't know if you already seen my videos where I got evicted or I'm homeless video, but if you haven't, it will be up soon where I'll tell you guys the story on why I am currently staying at my mom's. It's very difficult to film because it's not my aesthetic here, because you know, like Caribbean people, they collect so much crap. It's like, not to talk bad on them, but yeah, it's not my aesthetic. My aesthetic is like super clean and white and all that good stuff, but they just like to collect a bunch of stuff and the place is crowded. It's just not ideal. So I am currently on the balcony, so I hope the sound it's not too much because the street is right here. It's a really busy street, so I hope the sound is okay, and I hope all of you guys are doing okay. So this video is all about all the products that I've gotten from French Pharmacie. So if you go to France or if you go to Europe in general and you take advantage of getting skincare products from their pharmacies, you are missing out, because that's where all the goodies are. You don't have to go to like the crazy department stores, the high-end, to find the best stuff. You just have to go to your pharmacy just around the corner to just get all that good stuff. I am forgetting one thing, so I'm gonna go and get it. I'll be right back. I am back. So the way that I discovered, well, I've always known to find like Bioderma in pharmacies, but I didn't know about the other beauty products until last time for my birthday when I went to Paris. My colleague, she just like so into like French skincare. She knows all the good stuff, so she gave me a list of things to get for her. So I thought, hey, I'm gonna get one or two. I actually got two of everything she told me to get for her, for myself also. And whilst I was there, I decided to try the Embryolisse, and oh my god, I fell in love. It's like my favorite moisturizer. I ended up falling in love with that. And then this time around, she gave me another long list, and guess what? I'm gonna go and get everything for myself. Again, I'm forgetting something else. Hold on. So yeah, she kind of like sparked this whole you know, obsession with like French skincare things for me. And I've even started like, I've even went completely the opposite with my makeup. Before, my makeup used to be always like put together and matte. And you guys have been with me for the past 9 years, because I've been on here, or 8 years, since 2011 I believe, or 12. So if you guys have been on here with me for the past few years, you know that I'm always about the matte look, everything well done, red lipstick every day. You know that I used to wear red lipstick like 365 days a year. Like there was a day where I would go without wearing red lipstick. And for the past 2 years, I've kind of like, I don't know, sworn off red lipstick. Not really sworn off, I still wear it, especially when I travel, but most of the time now, I actually feel weird now when I wear red lipstick. I'm like, oh my god, this is too bright, I can't. But before, I used to be just like so obsessed with it. So guys, here's everything that I got from the French Pharmacie. Again, it's not from Chanel, but I just put everything in this bag to just make it easier for me to just go over. First thing first, let's talk about, oh guys, let me tell you which one is the best pharmacy in Paris. The best pharmacy in Paris is the one called Galeries de Lafayette Pharmacy. So that's the one right across the street from Galeries de Lafayette on Haussmann Street in Paris. So make sure you go there. They have the best prices. Or if you want to find this stuff, you can also find it at Monoprix, the American way. But yeah, if you speak French, Monoprix, you can go to Monoprix to get the stuff. But if you are shopping around Galeries de Lafayette, definitely go there. Go to the pharmacy that's across the street. The prices there are just like amazing. As you can see, I got 2 Embryolisse for 26.99 euros. This is the best moisturizer that I've ever used. I'm currently using one of them, so one is empty, but I will open the other one to show you the bottle. So this is what it looks like. The stuff is so gentle, it's so good for your skin. When I go without using this, I can tell the difference in how my skin feels. My skin feels like baby soft. It's like very moisturizing. I freaking love this stuff. You can also find this in the States. I order mine from Net-a-Porter when I run out. It's 28 bucks, and when you can get this for, you can get 2 of them for 26 euros. So if you're in France, just make sure you stock up on these beauty products. So this is my favorite moisturizer for the past few months, actually since April. I've been using this and I am obsessed. And the next thing that every French people have in their cabinet is Bioderma. This is actually good for like skin irritations, burns and all that stuff. This is that kind of like a ointment kind of product where you could just put it if you have burns, if you have skin irritation, if you have sunburn and all that stuff. But I've heard the little secret is just like French people use this as a moisturizer. So what I do at night, which I have a night skincare routine that's coming on this channel, where I show you where I use this. So maybe I'll insert the link here. If not, then that means I haven't filmed that, I haven't edited that video yet. So maybe I will put live my skincare routine, my travel skincare routine video, and then I can put the link here. What I do is, after I wash my face and dry it, I go in with this, the Embryolisse. I let this sit for like 10 minutes. And then I would go in with the Bioderma. This stuff is really good. It has a similar consistency to the Embryolisse. And if I run out of my Embryolisse, I use this on its own as my moisturizer. And the other product, again, this is a ointment. This is called Homeoplasmin. This stuff is freaking amazing. If you have in your, what do you call it, their emergency kit or bathroom cabinets for when you have burns or skin irritations, again, you can use this as a moisturizer. This I use last because this is super greasy. I do not recommend using this in the morning. I do not use this in the morning. In the morning, I only use the Embryolisse, but at night I use all 3 of these products. This one is always first. Then I'll go with this one, and then this will be my last. This I apply before I go to bed, or when I'm in bed. I usually have this next to my bedside table, so right before I fall asleep I'll just go in and just put this on my skin. This is, again, super greasy. I do not recommend this to use this in the morning. This is like a night product. So yes, I love this stuff. It's so good, and this is super cheap. This is $4.99, so 5 euros, and this is about the same, 4 or 3 euros. A little, you know, French people secrets that they use on their skin from what I've read, but even then I am in love with these products. I'm gonna continue using them. So what I thought about like doing as a business idea, since it's like so hard finding these products in the States, I was thinking when I go to Paris, why not turn this into a business, buy a bunch of the stuff and then just sell it. So I'm thinking about doing that. Another thing that my friend found last time are these eye masks. She used it and her eyes looked amazing the next day, and I have bags under my eyes, so I decided to buy 3 of them because I think there was only 3 left. So I got these. I'm not sure if this is a French product per se, but I know my friend used this last time we were in Paris, and I could see the difference in how her eyes looked the next day, so I'm like, I need to try them. The product that my friend told me to buy for her was the Roche-Posay Ck Boom B5. She added this on my list. I was a little hesitant, but then I'm like, I trust her judgment. I trust her with everything she recommends me. I'm always so happy with everything, so I decided to get this for myself, and oh my goodness, this was such a good decision. I love this stuff so much. So this is another product that I am incorporating into my beauty routine. This I tried to, because I didn't buy a lot of this one because I don't think they sell this one. I know they sell Roche-Posay at CVS or Duane Reade, but I don't think I see this one. I'm gonna go in and take a look again to see if they have this product there, which I don't think they do. Let me come closer so you guys can see, but I'll definitely be checking out. This stuff is so soothing. It's so good for your skin. I love. Another product that you must get if you are in Paris is the Bioderma micellar water. This stuff is literally like holy water. This stuff is so amazing. It's so gentle to the eyes. It removes all your makeup, especially my eye makeup. I love removing my eye makeup with this. It doesn't sting your eyes. It's not greasy. sorry, there's a lot of noise. So yeah, this product is very gentle to the eyes. I have been using this one. I found this one on my own. I've been using this product for a long time, since I went to England, I believe, or Montreal. Back in the day, I discovered this product, and I have been using this ever since. I love the Bioderma micellar water. Another product that I love from Bioderma is their blue. I have it in the bathroom. Hold on, guys. Another product that I discovered from Bioderma is their gel moussant. This is a purifying cleansing foaming gel, and this stuff is amazing. I love this stuff. So that's what I use in the morning, because it's like, again, very gentle to your skin. And I know it has chemicals in there, but I don't think it's a lot or as bad. So I love this so much. I like to use this in the morning because I don't really have any makeup when I wake up in the morning, so I like to use something that's like very light and gentle. So this is what I use in the morning. I love this. So whilst I was in Paris, I thought I would try their pink one, which is their, this is all in French. So this is their Crealine Gel Moussant, even more gentle for your skin. So if you have like very sensitive eyes or skin, I definitely recommend Bioderma products. So I love this. So now I switch to using this in the morning, and I use this at night because this is even more gentle and so much lighter than this one. And another product that I have discovered is Caudalie. So I am aware of Caudalie. I get their samples from Sephora all the time. They have this little moisturizer in the pink little bottle that I get. It's so freaking good. But I have yet to buy like a full bottle. But if I was to, it's so annoying. Hold on. Well, I already love Caudalie. So when I saw this, this was on sale for $2.99. This is the Rose Devine body wash. So I love this stuff. It smells so freaking good. You know, like Parisian have this like unique smell. It smells so good. They have this unique smell, and I feel like every time I use this, it kind of like give me that smell that I want. I want that Parisian smell. So if you guys know what the Parisians are using that gives them that like good smell, do let me know, because I freaking love it. I need to know what the hell they're using. I want some of it. So yeah, when I saw this, I'm like, I had to buy it. It was only $2.99. High tolerance, soap free, all skin types. The stuff is so good, and the smell. So this is the rose scented one. Also got the Devine one. Oh my goodness, it smells so good, guys. It smells so good. I wish you could smell this right now. So if you have access to all these products, make sure you mail me some. Love this. I cannot wait to start using this. Hopefully I start using this in my new place, because I may be moving next weekend. A product that I've seen this product quite a lot, and I've been dying to try this. So I am happy that it was on the list that my friend gave me. So I was like, oh, this is a perfect opportunity to get it for myself. This is the Nuxe L'Huile Prodigieuse. This is for your it's multifunctional, so it's for your face, your body, and your hair. And guys, the stuff is amazing. It smells lovely. I love spraying myself with this in the morning. Then I go in and apply my lotion on top of it, and then what I'll do is I'll just put some like in my hair. It makes my hair smell so good. I love this stuff. I'm obsessed with this. So I had to find a spot in the US that has this, or if not, I'm gonna have to ask one of you in Paris to mail me this. I'll send you the money. The product that I wanted to try is a Caudalie Eau de Raisin. This is the Grape Water, and oh my god, this smells so good. I actually enjoyed spraying my face with this before I go to bed, and also before I apply my moisturizer in the morning. I like to like spray my face with this, and then I just like let it sit. I have yet to try spraying it over my makeup to see how it feels, but yeah, this is their Grape Water. I don't remember the prices for all of the stuff, but I'm pretty sure this was like €5. Another product that I see all the time from Caudalie They have this at the little stand from Sephora. It's the Beauty Elixir, and I've been dying to try this. It smells so fresh, so nice. So I ended up getting this. I believe this was like €7 or €5. Again, go to the Pharmarcie across the street from Gallery Lafayette, because their prices are so much better. Because I think at Monoprix this was $9 and over there it was only like $5. So yeah, you would save some money, especially if you're buying a lot of the stuff. So yeah, I love this stuff. It's so good. Again, for like a glowing complexion. Smells so lovely, and I already feel like I'm glowing. Then I look more glorious. Remind me, guys, I tell really corny jokes and then I laugh at them, so that's even worse. Another thing that I decided to try is the Avène Eau Thermale. This is also a cleansing gel. I wanted to try like a different gel, a different cleansing face wash, because I want to kind of like expand my horizon with like face washes and all this stuff. So I thought the Avène one would be a good one to try. So this is really good for oily, blemish prone skin. My skin is like pretty dry, but I'm combination sometimes, so that should be good. I am really excited to try this. Again, maybe I'll try this at my new place. And last but not least, I went and got my favorite cologne. This is a men's cologne, actually. If you guys, okay, last but not least is this cologne. It's actually a men's cologne because I like men's cologne, because usually like perfume for like girls, I'm like kind of like allergic to them because they have a bunch of like flowery notes. They usually don't go with like my body chemistry. My body chemistry handles like, you know, stronger things like musk and oud. Marcel! This is where I need to move. So yeah, I ended up getting this one. If you need to buy perfumes, I would say just go to maybe Printemps. They have all the perfumes there, but you can go to Marionneau where they have all the other brands of like perfume. And this is one of the best smelling men's cologne out there. It's the Azaro Baume, and this was €100. It was 50% off. I bought this for €50. That was such a great deal, and this smells so amazing. So if you want your men to smell good, definitely get him that. And if you want to smell good too, you can get that for yourself. That's my French skincare beauty haul. So I hope you guys enjoy watching this. If you have any of these products, so let me know how you like them, and if there's anything else you'd like me to try, do leave them in the comments below. I would love to try some other things when I go back and pick up a few other products. So yeah, I can't wait. You guys should go and watch my travel skincare routine, which should be up already because I want it to be up before this video is up. Obviously that would make sense, so you can see how I use the products. And so yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.
Hey!